Hello and welcome to the new announcement of Squeezy's Playground Funhouse. Okay, so we're updating the place and we're releasing new toys and new games. So let's start with the first one. Now we're saying toys. So why won't you come to the toy shop and buy our new toy, Young Joy. Young Joy is a perfect toy for your children. It actually can go in the dark, can glow in the dark, Isn't that awesome? In the night, it no longer glows. There are 15% off of it. So why won't you spend all the money of it? So what are you waiting for? Young Joy is only available on Toys R Us for a limited time only. So be quick! Now for the game, we're releasing a new game for the West one, for the Arcadia of the West one. Today you can have fun with a brand new game, Bolognese. Bolognese is a fun educational game for everyone. You can ask the guys and also make it to the top before everyone else. Bolognese is a multiplayer game for everyone out there. And soon it will also be available for Game Boy. Coming soon to the Arcadia of Squeezy's Playground Funhouse. That's all for the Squeezy's Playground Funhouse announcement video. And we hope to see you there at Squeezy's Playground Funhouse real soon.